Hello and welcome to FEM Design Tutorials. My name is Joona and I will be your teacher going through how to use FEM Design software. We are going to start how you can get FEM Design, and by little we are going to go through first the most basic stuff in the software, how to use the software, and at the end we will go through the most complex parts of the software. If you're a new user, I highly recommend that you will go through these videos or the video lessons in the shown order here. You can use the document you can see in here, which you can actually find from the link in this video. You can use this document to guide you through this video series and maybe make some notes as learning the software. Here you can also find the link to support page for FEM Design. Please note that whenever you are using the FEM Design software, the StruSoft support will always be there for you to help you. You can find the support page from here, and here you can either submit a ticket or directly contact the support personnel from your region. I hope that you will find these video lessons very helpful when learning FEM Design. And now we will start in the next video how you can get your hands on FEM Design. And once again, I thank you for joining these video lessons, and I hope you will have great time learning a new software.